guys, it's me Jackson, and I just got a new printer called the AnyCubic Kobra Neo, and this is what it looks like. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about things I like and not really like about this printer. So the first thing I like about it is that it can do TPU, and TPU is a flexible filament with PLA, which is hard and plastic. This is more rubbery filament. And nothing I like is that the bed is flexible, so it's easy to get prints off, on and off. And then another thing I like about it is that it uses Cura, so I only have to use two softwares, Cura and WeBuilder. And that's what I like about it. And then one thing that I don't like about it is the assembly. It takes a lot of assembly, unlike my other printers. Like this one right here with no assembly, just plug it in. This one over here wasn't much assembly, you just had to put the frame on the frame on the bed, and that was really it. This one, you had to put the nozzle on the bed, the frame on the body, the filament holder on, and then put the screen on, the Y offset, the Y sensor, and yeah. So another thing I don't really like about it is that it is a lot smaller than my other printers, or than my other printer. And so I mostly use that one over there. But if for big prints, it's this one. And then one more thing that I like about this one is that it is a bit faster than that one. And those are a couple things I like and don't like about the AnyCubic Kobra Neo 3D printer. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, Jackson out.
Everybody listen up, give us your attention. It's Jackson and he's